Welcome back to Tender Cookie. I'm Smile Focus, and today I'm making some cheesy garlic bread.
Alright, let's go ahead and focus on this recipe. So we got some fresh parsley and we got to get this thing finely diced up. Now we got some Kerrygold butter, and it's the reason why they call it Kerrygold butter, because that butter is gold. Look at that color. Now we're going in with some garlic. Now that's a bulb of garlic and you need that. Putting that fresh parsley back in. Now you want your butter to be room temperature because it's gonna make it easy to work with. We got us a ciabatta bun. We're gonna split that right down the head, and then we gonna spread that garlic buttery spread right. Now we gotta put this bad boy, you can put this in your oven, but I got this French door, convection tabletop oven. I'm gonna place it in here on 400 degrees, and then we're gonna hit it about 12 minutes until this bad boy comes up golden brown. So look at this right here. That's what I'm talking about. Now we're gonna hit this bad boy with some, Parm cheese, right? Gotta get that Parm cheese on it. Because I said it was gonna be some cheesy garlic bread. And that's what we doing right there, putting that cheese on that bread. Now we gotta place it back into, that oven, right? 5 minutes, bring it back out. It is ready to go. Make your mouth water. My mouth is watering right now as I do this voiceover. So you just chop that bad boy up and get it ready for your guests. Look at that right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish chopping this up, and then I'm gonna bring it up to the camera so you can see it.